C3.AI is down over 15% as we're recording this video. Now, why is this? So, what you can see is the company did release their earnings today, and they did also say they do not expect to be profitable in Q4 of this year. So again, this is what is leading to this massive sell-off. So what are the key levels we want to be paying attention to then going forward? So the level that we kind of hit near the open was 27.50. This is normally used as a support. Again, off a fundamental release, we don't really tend to trade technicals. So it's kind of waiting more. I would kind of wait until today is finished before we start trading these levels. But again, we broke kind of straight through that. That's normally used as support, so it will most likely now turn into that a resistance. But what I'm really paying attention to is if we continue lower, we have a $21 support and a $17.50 support. These are our second deviations between the 6-month and the 1-year chart. And just to give us one more support, just in case we had a quite a strong move, we do have another level at $11.75. So again, they're going to be the 3 key supports we're paying attention to. Again, 21, 17.50, and 11.75. These are all relatively high probability setups because they are the second deviations and the third. And again, we don't usually tend to trade these first deviations because they're a lot lower probability. So those are the key supports. Now, what are the key resistances? So again, this 27.50 will now turn into a resistance. Again, I would give today, it kind of let it play out. And then tomorrow, obviously, if we're closing below this 27.50, watching for that retest. Because if we retest it, if selling pressure kicks in and we break that low, then obviously we can look for a $21 target. On the other hand, if we do retest this, we end up breaking through, just looking for that retest as a support. And if so, then we could start looking for those upside targets at $30.50. And then also the gap fill location at around $31.50. Now, if we go any higher than that, then the only other level we're really paying attention to is going to be that $37.60. What this is fair value. This is statistical mean. So the way we use this level is if we're trading a stock long bias, this will be our target to the upside. Because again, this is fair value. If we're reversal traders, we're looking to trade to that fair value, to that mean. So again, if we're getting long bias anywhere from here or above, we're looking to trade to $37.65 as that absolute kind of final target to the upside.